Hey guys, it's Yasmin. So welcome back to my channel. Today I thought to do an unboxing video of this cutie over here. So this inside, I think some of you may already know what it is, but for those of you who don't know, please stay tuned to the video. So I got this just a couple of days ago because I thought that I wanted to dress up my Louis Vuitton Speedy B 25. So I thought okay, let's get a nice bag charm. So there you go, that's what I have inside this box. So without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. The bag charm comes in this beautiful pink box, and as you can see, it really matches my nails, and it's so simple and I love it because it is such a soft pink. So when you open it, there's a small, I don't know, certificate, I guess, which just says Les Secrets Ladurée Paris. Let's just put it aside, and then it comes with a foam covering, and inside here, ta-da, this is what I got. So this is the macaron key charm. So I chose it in my favorite color, of course, the pink, and then it has 3 cute macarons here. They are so adorable. It also has an Eiffel Tower, and I think there's a charm here. So yeah, I thought it was really cute and simple. Let us take it out. Oh, there you go. It's so pretty. So it dangles. Wow. Closer. Wow, it's really nice. Okay, so I thought I brought out my Speedy B just to see how it would look on it. So I'm really excited. Let's put this aside. So I've seen people do this. So what they usually do is to just put the bag charm at the side here and then let it dangle, and I think it looks fabulous. Look at that. I think it matches anything pink or light. It just pops. Okay, maybe this one would blend in, but it's okay. I think it's still pretty, don't you think so? So another option I've seen people do is they will actually hang the charm at the side over here, which I also think looks really cute. Yeah, I didn't think to hang it here, but there you go. I think it's so pretty, don't you think? Yeah, so there it is. That's all I have. I just wanted to see how it will go on this bag, and just put it back here, and I think it's really adorable. I really like it here, and yeah, I can't wait to carry it out. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, or if you like it, really like it and really like my content, please subscribe. I'm not forcing, but it would be nice if you do. And yeah, that's all I have. So till then, bye.